and I hold my finger at the box and I crease from the box out like that. And I use the table as a tool to really help me make a sharp crease like that. So you want something not too thin and not too thick, something in the middle. Something too thin will rip really easily, which is very frustrating when you're trying to wrap. Something too thick is really hard to use, especially when you're wrapping a really small box. So I like something in the middle that you can still kind of pull tight, but it won't rip. Oh, I also love paper that has grid lines on the back so that you can easily measure and cut. I don't have any raw edges showing ever on my packages, so I always turn over the raw edge and I fold it under like 1/4 of an inch before I pull it over the box. I also use double-sided tape underneath everything on the box so that you never see the tape on the outside. I have a hard time getting rid of paper scraps, so I do a lot of different things with them. I make paper tags for the gifts. I will do like paper bows, handmade paper bows. I'll make fans for the top sometimes, but I also, since I'm a seamstress, I also sew paper together in different shapes and sizes, and the gift is sewn inside. I call them rip wraps.